Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Sagittarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. Sagittarius, we are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, guys. For your relationship and career situation, I'll be picking cards from another deck, guys. So we'll be picking from this deck. So one card each, guys. So this is for your relationship and this is for your career situation. So let's start with the general energies first. We have 5 of swords, 3 of swords, and justice. So with these cards in your situation today, guys, you are facing some worries, some struggles in your career or in your personal life. Maybe you are seeing some delays or suspensions in your work. Something is not going as expected. So maybe some delays in your projects or some assignments. So whatever work you do, and whatever choices you make, people are not accepting that in your career, maybe, guys, or in your personal life. There are some conflict of interest, and you feel left out, or you feel that everyone is against you, they are not listening to you. So you may be worried or stressed because of that. And I also see that in this relationship, in this love, you may not have that greatest understanding. So this person may have someone else in their mind. They are interested in someone else, and they are dreaming about someone else, and they do not like to be in this connection. And maybe for some of you, they are already in taking a break away from you, or in separation, staying away from you, and you feel that there is no one to help you or guide you, support you in any way today, guys. You feel left out, sad, maybe stressed. But I also see that whatever your situation is, you're facing some difficulties in your career, or you're facing some difficulties in your personal life, but you're trying to find the way towards harmony and balance. You're trying to adjust yourself, being really flexible, adapt to the new changes happening. It may be drastic changes that are happening in your love or in your career, but whatever it is, you are finding that balance, harmony, and peace of mind, guys. That is what is most important. So you have that acceptance, and you are a very responsible person towards your goals or aspirations, whatever you have. So you are working towards that, guys, Sagittarius. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. Let's see what is the card for your relationship. It is 6 of air. So with this card, guys, it just means that in this love with this person, there is some kind of great change happening in your situation, and you were expecting some troubles in this love, and maybe today you don't know where this connection is moving. So some kind of changes are happening today, but it is something for the better, guys. So you need not worry, because whatever is the best thing, that is what will stay with you with these changes happening in your love, guys, Sagittarius. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It is 10 of water. So I see that you are happy, content, having that emotional satisfaction by the way things are going in your work or in your business. So you are going to be really fortunate. You're moving towards abundance and prosperity. So that is what I see with these cards, Sagittarius. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.